Hi guys, Randy Elliott with Quality Wheels and RV. We got an old MCI bus here. We don't get much of these in. Anybody that knows much about buses, everybody calls these things the tank. The original MCI, man. Designed to go 2 million miles. This thing's been owned by a church its whole life. It's only got, I think, 146,000 miles on it. Casino special, right? You know, it's got really good bones. You know, like it needs to have the bumper repainted. And, you know, it's a 1986 MCI. This is a cool thing, though. I mean, it's pretty decent looking. It was owned by a church. That's the AC blowing ice cold inside. But we actually have this panel right here inside. We were thinking about repainting these panels, so we just took that one off to see what all would be entailed there. But looks like these wheels will be painted silver. Detroit engine. Let's see here. Let's open this up here. I can do that with one hand. There we go. Motor's been painted. Looking now. It's been upgraded to the new refrigerant. Oh yeah, she's blowing cold. '86 MCI Motor Coach Industries. These were the workhorse of the tour buses and the passenger buses for years. And real quick, I want to show you some of the suspension. I don't know if we can pick this up. They call these things a tank. These things are just massive. I mean, massive. Really good condition now. Whole lot of bus for the money. Let's see, this is going to be a 45 passenger. A lot of these windows have definitely had some sun damage. Driver air blowing cold. I just started this thing up. It's probably about 85 degrees outside. Already cool in here. Y'all feel that cool air? Seats are in really good condition. These have been reupholstered sometime since 1986. We know that for sure because this back bench wasn't attached when we got it, and we took it out and had to repair a bracket on it and noticed that the original interior was underneath. So these have been modernized. It's got a rear bathroom. Man, watch the road go by. Somebody had the air conditioning didn't work when we got it. We had to fix the AC on it and a few other things. I think somebody had tried to put a portable air conditioner in there. We've got the cover for this. I need to put it on there. But it's got a sink and a toilet. It's got an RV style toilet. Holding tank down below. These seats will actually slide forward. Looks like that window's got a crack in it. We actually took all the guys to Steak for lunch the other day in this and drove it to Benton and back, and then it did great. Stayed nice and cool all the way. Got storage up here. Air blows out right here. Can you feel that cool air? Got these to push your feet on while you're going down the road. compartment definitely shows its age. Hey guys, for the price, somebody could get a really good running bus. These things are designed to go 2 million miles. Only has 142,000 miles on it. It's got some imperfections and such. Really cool bus, guys, for the money. Speaking of storage, though, I gotta show you this. So we've got 3 of these pass-through bays. I don't know how to, so I'm 6'4". And my head, if I'm stretched out, just barely touching the top. Because we got this coming down here. We're actually going to repaint this Project 109. But man, this is the equivalency of a pickup bed with no fender humps or wheel wells. It's going to be 102 inches across, over 8 feet. So it'll be like having a pickup bed with a camper shell 3 times. If somebody's going to do an RV conversion, man, they could put everything they need in this one bay and still have these other 2 bays completely available. I mean, yeah, motorhomes have big bays, but nothing compared to a bus. By the way, we upgraded all of the storage compartment lighting to LEDs. Put them in each bay. They work great. Speaking of, and there is actually a, let's see if I can find it. Yeah, there's a button that turns these off. Not sure why they're even turned off. Somebody had turned them off. But yeah, guys, I wanted to upload this. The batteries aren't that old. It's brand new tires on the front. It does have some retreads on the back, so probably would want to get some tires for the back in the very near future. Nice lug nut covers. Really cool bus, guys. We have campers that sell for more than what we're asking for this. Make sure you go to qualitywheels.com, qualitywheels.com. Click on inventory, or you can just do /inventory, and you'll see all the specifics on this, price and everything. Somebody wanting to get a bus for a church, or for if you just have a big family, if you have 45 kids, you know, this would hold all of them. Just give us a call at 501-276-5500, 501-276-5500. That's the office number, but if you text that number, it actually rings our cell phone, so we can actually communicate by text also. I'm gonna turn these on while I'm thinking about it. Up in bays. And I mean, just look at that switches. You don't get that in a motorhome. Everything on this thing is just over-engineered. I mean, just the electrical, the suspension, the air conditioning, just everything. When they design something to go 2 million miles, you have to put a lot of engineering in it. This has got it. So somebody starts talking about the original tank for transportation buses, you'll know what they're talking about. Motor Coach Industries.